Hi, this is Tim Rose from 𝐿𝐼𝐍𝐅𝐎𝐑𝐿 Machinery. We're here at FabTech 2023, and we've got the PMCT from 𝐿𝐼𝐍𝐅𝐎𝐑𝐿 Machinery. And in this case, we have the MAA, the multi-axis arm attachment, set up on this machine to do encloser boxes. We've been getting a lot of traffic, people asking about this. Daniel's going to take you through it, but just some basic features on this machine. This is an 8-foot machine with a motorized table. I've got a contact pad. I've got a contact wheel. We've even got the buffing system as an option, but mainly we're going to be using the multi-axis arm system to show you how we can manipulate a box and get a good finish for you. Like all the machines from 𝐿𝐼𝐍𝐅𝐎𝐑𝐿 Machinery, super simple controls. Here we've got an emergency stop, a start, the controls for the variable speeds on the sander, the controls for the tilt table, and Daniel's going to run the machine. Daniel, why don't you start up the belts.
Oh, we'll start the belt.
Start the belts. Everything moves super simple out of the way. Nice and ergonomic. It's at a good height for the operator. He's using the hand pad to work the corners of the piece, so if we've got a weld or something rough on the edges, we can smooth that up. 2 belts on this machine. Now Daniel's using the multi-axis feature to show that how we can hit different edges on the product. So basically we can hit 5 surfaces. Got to turn it. Going to bring it up a little bit with the remote control. And sand again on the corners. Select the next surface, pick your poison, pick your treatment. The contact wheel gives a narrow point of contact and gives us deep, short scratch. Good for removing welds, good for removing imperfections. Daniel's switching to the back belt. He's going to use a contact pad. The contact pad gives a longer, shallow scratch, which is good for high finishing and polishing. Super simple. We've got the work light, so he's got access to see what he's doing. The table storage system that we introduced last year has really been a productivity increasing system for this machine. Very simply, you lower the rails, take the MAA box off, store it, bring in the table, and you're using the machine twice. The same sanding mechanism for 2 different jigging mechanisms. Very nice, very simple.